Hello class, welcome back. Let's continue our Bible lesson for this week. But first, let's go over what your memory verse is one more time. So you should have written your memory verse 3 times yesterday in OneNote. So if you didn't do that, go ahead and go do it today. Remember, you have till Friday to get that done. So let's go over it. Jesus answered, "It is written, man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God." Matthew 4, verse 4. All right, so there's your memory verse. Be sure that you're practicing it with the hand motions and getting that done because we need to learn our memory verse for our quiz and because it's what we need to do. We need to learn God's word and hide it in our heart. Okay, so be sure you guys are practicing that. So, to talk about this week's lesson, let's go back in time and think about that time that I made cookies, right? Whenever you're baking something, you have your bowl, right? Here's my bowl. And then you have to add what inside the bowl to make whatever you're making? You should have said ingredients. You have to add the ingredients necessary to make what you're trying to make. So let's say we're trying to make a cake, right? I'm going to make a nice big chocolate cake and it's going to be delicious. What do I need to add to make this chocolate cake? Well, I'd look up the recipe and then I'd get my ingredients. So I probably need some eggs. I probably need some flour. I probably need a pinch of salt. I probably need some oil. I probably need some water. Probably need some chocolate powder. Chocolate chips, put some stuff in there. I might need some more ingredients, but I have to look at my recipe to see what my ingredients are to make my chocolate cake. Now, put this to the side. Let's pretend that instead of ingredients for a chocolate cake, what kind of ingredients do you think you need to have a great life? Now, I'm sure that all of us think that we have a really great life. But not everybody has a great life. So what do you think are some ingredients that you need to have a great life? That's going to be part of your assignment for today. Part of your assignment is to write down ingredients that make up a great life. But the other side is ingredients that God describes that make up a great life. Do you think that those two lists will be similar or do you think they'll be very different? So that is your assignment for today, to think of ingredients that make up a great life and ingredients that God describes that makes up a great life. Okay, so I know this might be a little confusing, like what do you mean ingredients make up a great life? Trust me, okay? All you're going to do is find things that in your mind make a life great. So maybe it's friends, maybe it's family, maybe it's having food, things like that. Or maybe it's having a phone. Maybe that with that you have a great life. So I'm just trying to give you examples to help you out, but it's whatever you think makes up a great life. And then on the other side of the column, this will be on OneNote, you'll have ingredients that God describes makes up a great life. And you're going to think about what that is. Then we're going to continue this lesson tomorrow and find out what really does make up a great life. Where do we find these ingredients? What are the ingredients? So we're going step by step through this lesson, and I'm really excited to find out what ingredients you guys think make life so great and what ingredients really do make life so great. All right, so that's your assignment for today. Don't forget to practice your memory verse, and I'll see you guys later.